Plot the coordinates. A guide to mapping your way in math and beyond. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of both math and real-world navigation: plotting coordinates. This concept is not only fundamental in subjects like geometry and algebra but also plays a crucial role in understanding maps and GPS systems. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or just curious, mastering this skill will open up new dimensions of understanding. So, let's get started and plot our way to success. Before we can plot them, we need to understand what coordinates are. In mathematics, coordinates are numbers that represent a position along a coordinate system. The most common system is the Cartesian coordinate system, which consists of two axes, the x-axis, horizontal, and the y-axis, vertical. A point on this system is identified by two numbers, x, y, where x represents the point's horizontal position, and y represents its vertical position. The Cartesian coordinate system is like a map for mathematics, allowing us to precisely locate points on a plane. Here's how it works. The origin is the center of the system, where the x-axis and y-axis intersect, represented by 0, 0. Points to the right of the origin are positive on the x-axis, while points to the left are negative. Similarly, points above the origin are positive on the y-axis, and points below are negative. To plot a point, you move along the x-axis to the x value, then move up or down to the y value. Now, let's go through the steps to plot coordinates on a graph. 1. Start at the origin. 0, 0. 2. Move horizontally to the x value. If it's positive, move to the right. If it's negative, move to the left. 3. From your new position, move vertically to the y value. Up for positive values and down for negative ones. 4. Mark the point where you end up. Congratulations, you've plotted a coordinate. Plotting coordinates isn't just a math exercise. It has practical applications in navigation, geography, architecture, and more. For example, GPS systems use coordinates to help you find your way from one place to another. Similarly, architects and engineers use coordinates to plan out spaces and structures. And that's a wrap on plotting coordinates. By understanding and using this simple yet powerful tool, you unlock a world of possibilities in math and beyond. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be plotting coordinates like a pro. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to explore the world around you through the lens of coordinates.